Hello everyone, I, like Dliwayo, at times I'm called the Great Dliwayo. So I welcome you to my YouTube channel where I'll be focusing on the subject matter, mathematics. So I'll be looking at mathematics from grade 10 to grade 12. So the focus will be on reviewing past papers that have been written in the past years and also creating some notes that will be of help to many. So at later stage, I'll be adding physical sciences as time progresses. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please do not forget to share to other people. I would really appreciate that so that we can reach masses across the country. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and ring the bell. Ting, 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 ting.